We in the garage with it today.
Yeah, with the tie in hand.
With the tie.
Yeah.
Brand new motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Ready to, yeah. My boy Nate done run the arm over here. You know we gon' hit it. He gotta get it. He got some work to do too. It ain't just me over here, you dig?
Yeah.
You dig?
Yeah, I brought my SS's over here.
You
Socks
dig?
and shoes.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Back in the stove. My boy seasoning it back there. See if we can get this new tie. And then need them spoons. Ooh.
Already got mine down.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Yeah, so my boy seasoning got me that tie. We back popping 125, baby, man. You know, we doing a little fixing today. Little fixing, man, little mixing. You see it, Nathan brung over here.
She look like the same dude.
You did. So y'all see what he got going on. You know, I had to go through the same situation. So yeah, man. My boy got to hit them. What you got going on, bro?
Man, so I'm doing the swing arm bearing to stop, you know, this shit right here.
Dang.
Ain't supposed to do that. The whole bike's supposed to pick up. Yeah, terrible. Got the sprockets going on. Got the gold chain like a boy.
You
got
did.
it going on, and then yeah, that's about it for right now. Oh, hell yeah, y'all.
Y'all.
Yeah.
See?
New part's gonna be clean. It'll come together. Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're gonna give it a new little splash, you know, little. My shit over there look like I got apart from RoboCop. Wavy.
Sharp light on it.
Yeah, he got the jumps.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Chain kinked up, man. That shit.
So that
Yeah, we gonna fix that today, man.
You feel me? That that new pack in. The new pack in, got it off the back end. I don't know what been going on with eBay lately, but that fuck been showing up with these 2 and 3 days shipping. Come on.
I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the pit with the bottles of Sprite. All that ass on you, it can't do it. Back, no slip. All you gotta do is arch your back. Get low, go fast.
That shit stripped the fuck out, my boy.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I'm using a 13 on half and 12 on the other.
Boy, whatever you know, yo.
Boy, hell yeah, you already know. Custom. With a K.
Boy, got that big boy king shit today, you know.
Yeah.
I see him cut up the other day. He cut up on that motherfucker with no back brake, with his grandpa motherfucker.
Yeah, I hit him in with the grandpa.
Hit with the grandpa swag.
Hey, come on.
Over there. I'm telling them folks, don't worry about the footwear.
Yeah.
That guy nigga got the
DJ
footwear.
work shoes.
Is
When
that?
you work, you gotta be comfortable while you work. You know what I'm saying? Your feet may be hurt when you work.
Exactly.
Use this. Oh, it's the same cut. It looked like it to me anyway. What's different?
They do.
So you could have took this and put this on here. You
Damn.
would have had it. The same fit.
See, when y'all when you don't know shit, I brought a new clip, love it. This one got down, stripped out on me. Ordered this one, I ain't like that shit, of course. That shit was ugly. See, but he said I could have put this one on. I could have put this one on that level. It's all good, man. I got the Pro Tech on the way. So now I know. So now that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna convert it over. So on my clinch do break, I pray it up. I got it.
A lot of people gonna be mad at this one.
Hey, you know how many folks I seen do this shit on YouTube? Say the same thing? We gotta do what we gotta do. Y'all ain't in this motherfucking garage right now. If y'all got something to say, pull up with some goddamn Mac tools and shit then. Some.
Go with a $3,000 tool shed and I ain't got money for it.
Is
Let's
that?
go work on my shit.
Is that?
But guess what? I still be riding in the woods.
Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh.
That bitch ain't been touched in so far, boy.
That baby for this one, boy, you need fresh meat.
So we need the whole.
Imagine the Baron in this bitch.
I don't know. Help me, Jesus. Lord.
Help me. Help me.
Thy Father.
You did. We gotta go to a giggle break. Y'all see what they say. For the ones who know, who y'all know. For the ones who don't, y'all don't smoke. Find it out. So he find out. What you find out, bro?
So it looks like, I guess from 01 to 05, you just put a K in the fucking shit. Like mine's in 2004 now, apparently. So it's in 2004. If it would have been in 2005, it would have been a K5. So the more you know.
Yeah, we ain't riding no kids though. Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah, nah.
You see what's going on? Oh shit! Talk it up.
Okay, go get in the background. Hold on, cameraman.
I'm gonna do the goddamn.
There with the shaky wrist.
Don't stop him.
Hold on, grab your mask.
Yeah, we need a real man for this one.
Hey, you talking about bite.
No windstream, straight real till.
Straight altercation.
Great altercation on this bike. It's on this bike over here, y'all. Them folks be looking at me in the pit side.
Oh, man.
Drop this sponsor, get him out of here. See what's going on? We got the goddamn, my boy. He done busted down and, you know, came to the conclusion. We found another Baron was bad that he didn't know, so, you know, we gotta hit that part to
Why you don't want to
order it up. Let's see what's going on. New tire for the YZ. I'm still waiting on a few parts of my damn self. You know, this part of the bike life game. Sometimes you're gonna break your shit, you gotta wait. It's the real one right there. Gag.
Before you leave today, did you take those bugs? Did we have those bugs on the other time?
Not one of them.
I'm talking about the one movie is motherfucker over, you know. I understand that, but that ain't hard to do though. The two of us sitting right here, because you decided the front tire gonna guide us. Somebody you gotta guide us.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.